Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, this is the Creative Nails collab. So this month the theme was Halloween movies. So you could have done any Halloween movie you wanted. Didn't have to necessarily be like horror or anything like that. It could have been a cartoon or anything. As you can tell from the thumbnail, you're getting an idea of what everybody chose. So I'm going to be doing just a quite simple set. So I'm just going to go in with this white. This is from Models 1, and yeah, I don't think I show you both coats. I can't remember. Anyway, sit back, relax, and we'll come back at the end and have a look and see what we created. Okay, see you on the other side. Bye. is finishing curing. Yeah, I had to fiddle with them gems off camera because they were driving me insane. I just didn't like how they were. So this is the finished design here. So let me just turn this light off. And this is what they look like because they are glow in the dark. So you have saw, want to play, and game over. And I really like that. I like the way this blood is on this one. I like that. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, let me turn the light back on. So what do you guys think? I know it's really simple. I know it really is really simple, but yeah, I just kind of wanted to sort of keep it kind of simple because I mean, if you were gonna go as Saw, I mean, if you've seen the films, which are some of my favourite films, then obviously you will know. I will probably go over these in glossy top coat. So actually, do you know what? I will do that now. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below on how this turned out. I'm going to use the Easynails white top coat. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below on how this turned out. Do you like it or not? I think it turned out really cool. I'd wear it. So as I said, this is a creative nails collab. So there will be a playlist down below of everybody who has done videos. We have a couple of girls that don't do videos. So it's always a good idea to check out the hashtag over on Instagram so you can see everybody's designs, because everybody does an amazing job every single month. So amazing, everybody's so different. And yeah, we had a lot of fun creating these ones. Some Halloween movies. Obviously I quite like horror movies, so that's why I did this. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below and I will post my pictures at the end. And yeah, just let me know your thoughts. Well, thank you everybody for watching today. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Have a look around, see what you think. If you're not subscribed to the other girls who are in the playlist, please also subscribe to them. Come follow us all over on Instagram. We would love it if you would. And yeah, looking forward to the next collab. I wonder what we're going to do. So yeah, so I mixed two Easynails colours together because I wanted to add like a little bit of glitter to it, but not like glitter, if that makes sense. So this is what the whole finished design looks like. So you've got two glossy, which you can see the sparkle now in it, and you have some matte ones. Well, thank you everybody for watching today. I will post some pictures at the end, as I said, and yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, everybody take care, and I shall speak to you soon. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.